Hello students, welcome to this session. In this we are going to cover the peninsular states. In the previous video we covered 5 states and now we are going to cover rest of the states. Hope you are interested in traveling to South India just by sitting at your home. In the previous video we talked about Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and in this video we will discuss about Karnataka. First of all, let's discuss them simultaneously. So, talking about Karnataka, state Karnataka is situated on the Western Ghats above Kerala to the northwest of Tamil Nadu. It is situated. Capital is Bengaluru, which is also known as Silicon Valley of India, because of famous industries which are electronic, aircraft, handloom, silk weaving. Main occupation followed by people is agriculture. Major crops grown here are rice, maize, groundnut, cotton, oilseeds. Major language spoken here is Kannada. Famous cities include Bengaluru, Bidar, and Mysore. Famous cuisine is Udupi. Rivers which flow in the state are Krishna, Kaveri, and Sharavati. Now we will talk about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first linguistic state, means first state which was formed in independent India because of the language. So the language here is Telugu and other languages are Urdu and English. Famous cities include Tirupati and Amaravati. Capital for 10 years from 2014 to 2024, Hyderabad will remain the mutual capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and now the government is planning to set up Amaravati as capital as administrative capital of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the dance form. Rice, jowar, sugarcane, tobacco, ragi, and oilseeds are the major crops. Industries which are there are silk industries, cement, handloom, shipbuilding. Clothes worn there are dhoti and shirt by men and sari by the women. Talking about Tamil Nadu, it is the southernmost state of India. Its capital is Chennai. Language spoken is Tamil. Famous cities include Vellore, Salem, Coimbatore. Dosa, idli, rasam, sambar are the famous food items which are famous in North India also. Historical sites include Meenakshi Temple. Nandi Bull Temple is also famous there, and Hampi Temple is also situated in Tamil Nadu. Talking about main occupation, agriculture is the main occupation in the plain area of Tamil Nadu, and in the coastal areas, fishing is the occupation, followed by people living in the coastal area. Major crops grown are rice, sugarcane, groundnut, tea, coffee, spices, and famous industries are textile, automobile, electronics, and software. Automobile industries are those industries in which the spare parts of vehicles are manufactured. Another city, it is the latest state which is formed. The year of formation is 2014. It has been carved out of Andhra Pradesh. So their mutual capital is Hyderabad, and culture and language is similar to that of Andhra Pradesh only. Now historical sites include Charminar, Salarjung Museum, which is situated in Hyderabad, and Golconda Fort is also in Telangana. Now, because we read about Jharkhand and Telangana, both these states are formed out of another state. So, it is for your general information that which state has originated from which another state. Here you can see Bihar, Jharkhand is formed out of Bihar, South Bihar. Chhattisgarh has been carved out from Madhya Pradesh. Uttaranchal came from Uttar Pradesh. Haryana was part of Punjab, but then it bifurcated. Then Telangana, as I just told you, has been carved out of Andhra Pradesh, and similarly Nagaland. It has come out from Assam. This is the Charminar. Students, hope it's visible to you. It is situated in Hyderabad, Telangana. This is the Meenakshi temple of Tamil Nadu. This is the Jagannath temple in Puri, state Odisha. And this is your Sanchi Stupa, which is situated in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Hope you had a great tour and hope you have understood all the points.